Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on December 10, 2024. 5-star Sudoku. Fifth row and sixth row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column H, we have 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 4. 6th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 4th row and 6th row, we have pair numbers 4 and 9. So 4 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column A, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Then 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 5. Column E, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then 6th grade, only 1 number is remaining 1. 1 is confirmed here. 4th grade, 3 numbers are remaining 1, 5, 7. 6th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. Column B also we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 5 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. 4th row, 3 numbers are remaining 2, 5, 7. Column E, column F, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then 4th grade, only 1 number is remaining 7. 7 is confirmed here. Then 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining 5 and 8. Column D, we have 8. So it can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 5th grade and 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 7. It will come any one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column B, column C, and 8th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column C, column D, and then column I, we have 8. So it can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column I, we have 1 and 9. So 1 and 9 can't come these cell. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. The 9th row, only 1 number is remaining 4. 4 is confirmed here. 9th grade, 3 numbers are remaining 1, 9, 6. Column I, we have 1 and 9. So 1 and 9 can't come in this cell. It will come in one of these cells. Column H, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. The 9th grade, only 1 number is remaining 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 7. Second row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 6. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Third grade, column G, 3 numbers are remaining 4, 5, 9. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column B, column A, and 7th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Or column B and 7th row, we have pair numbers 5 and 6. So 5 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column A, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column B, column E, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then 8th grade, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then 7th grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 7, 8, 9. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Then column A, 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. First grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 4, 5, 9. Column B, we have 4 and 5. So 4 and 5 can't come in this cell. It will come in one of these cells. First row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then first grade, only one numbers remaining. 9. 9 is confirmed here. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining. 7 and 8. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then 7th grade, column C, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. 3rd grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 5, 9. First row, we have 4 and 5. So 4 and 5 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. 3rd row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 3rd grade, column G, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Then first row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. 7th row, 3rd row, we have pair numbers 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Third row, we have 8. So it can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. 7th row, we have 8. So it can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. And 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 3. Column D, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Third row, we have 4. Column D also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Second row and 8th grade, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Second row, we get 2 and 7. So 2 and 2 and 7 can't come in this cell. It will come in one of these cells. 8th grade, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column E, only one number is remaining. 4. 4 is confirmed here. Second grade, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 8th grade and 8th row, only one number is remaining. 1. 1 is confirmed here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining. 6 and 7. Second row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Second grade, column F, 2 numbers are remaining. Or third row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. First row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. First row, only one number is remaining. 3. 3 is confirmed here. Second grade, column F, third row, only one number is remaining. 2. 2 is confirmed here. Third grade, column H, 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 6. Second row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.